Ever feel like you have to choose between grinding away at your job with long hours, late nights, crippling stress, just to work your way up the ladder? Or uprooting your entire life to pursue your dream? Like moving to Bali to live in a van without a regular shower, so you can teach goat yoga? What if you don't have to choose? You can have the career you're passionate about while also having work-life balance. All you need is time management skills that help you work smarter, not harder, so you have enough time to create your life plan and achieve your goals. The 7-Minute Life has taught these skills for 28 years to 25,000 professionals around the world. It landed them in the top of their companies, but most importantly, made them wake up with enthusiasm again. Enroll in the 7-Minute Life membership to gain access to online classes and coaching, so you learn how to create a life you love. You don't have to choose. You can have both success and sanity. Enroll now to start learning today.